Okay, I'll just do a quick show and tell on my new mill, just for shits and giggles. So turn that VFD on. I've got two in here, one for the vertical and one for the horizontal spindles. It's all a bit of a wiry mess in there, so I won't show that at this point. When I get some more bits and pieces from AliExpress, I'll be tidying the buttons up and I'll be tidying all the wiring up and the like, and actually converting the power feed that's on this axis and the pump motors to static converters. But at the moment it seems to work pretty well. I've jury-rigged some wiring on these buttons down here. The two switches they essentially act as a very crude 3-bit register. The VFDs have a little wee speed table that, depending on the settings of 3 bits, drive different frequencies, so I've got that set up. So that gives me a high, low, and then the second and third registers are off this 3-position switch up here. So I'll just power up. I've got forward. With this gearing, I'm running at 1690 on the RPM. I can bring that down 10%, bring it down 20% with that switch, back up to full speed. This one down here gives me a coarse, essentially half ratio. So this is running at 30 Hz now. If I bring it that way, it gives me 25 Hz, so essentially half the speed of my base 1690, and this one gives me 20 Hz. So again, I only use this sort of lower speed sort of stuff, I guess when I'm doing tapping or big drills, but it seems to work pretty well. I can flick it into reverse. And I've got some adjusting to do in there to make that reverse faster, because it's all those deceleration speeds are all individual for each of the different speed settings. So at the moment it's quite slow. I put it up to full speed, which I have got adjusted. Bring it on forward. You can see it's much faster. Stop. So it's pretty quick. It's coming along. Like I said, this will all get improved, and I'll have proper buttons for forward, backwards, and coolant and all these things. Particularly, when I get those working on static converters. But yeah, coming along. Not too shabby at all. Hopefully not too boring. And I'll do some more when I've got things a bit tidier.